In the early days of computing, data was stored on punch cards and magnetic tapes. What happened was these systems were large and very cumbersome, and it made engineers to often wrestle just to input and retrieve data in its simplest form. The introduction of relational databases in the 1970s allowed businesses to organize data in tables and query it in SQL, and it helped to pave the way for data warehouses in the 80s and in the 90s. What these warehouses did was that it helped to centralize very vast amounts of structured data and supported robust business intelligence. But when you now come down to the 2000s, that is where you start having the rise of big data. It was really fueled and influenced by social media, and you had the likes of Google, Facebook, and all of the social media network. And this led to us start talking about tools like the Hadoop for handling massive unstructured data sets, though they introduced challenges in performance and schema management. When you leave the 2000s and you start coming to the 2010s, and we saw a rapid increase in cloud computing, and Apache Spark started revolutionizing both batch and real-time processing. Data lakes emerged, and we started hearing about data lake and how it's a flexible low-cost storage solutions for variety of formats. But the problem was that it often lacked the governance necessary to maintain consistent data quality. Now coming to today, businesses need a structured, progressive approach to ingest, clean, and enrich data before presenting it to the analysts who will be working on this data or making decisions on the data. And that's where the whole medallion architecture comes into play.